Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to another training video. And in this video, guys, it's actually a live stream. Okay, we're going to be going through the 15-minute chart, and we want to see if we can't get any trades. Okay, so let's just quickly go through the markets and see if there aren't any trades that we can just jump into real quick. And wait, hold on. Let me also just go on my live stream. Just hold on, guys. I'm also trying to go live on Instagram, so maybe we can dual stream. So hold on. So hold on, guys. We're about to go live on Instagram. Okay, going live on Instagram. Title: Live trading. Live trading session. Let's go. All right, let's go. 123 of my followers are live right now. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm also live on Instagram, and yeah, man, like let's just see what's going on Insta. Okay, so yeah, let's see if we can't. Okay, right now, guys, this trading session we're only going to be looking at the 15-minute chart. Okay, but the way we analyze the markets is going to be the same even on the H1 chart, H4 chart, D1 chart, M1 chart, right? The process is going to be the same. We're going to use the 15-minute chart, not the 15-minute chart, sorry, we're going to use our trading system with the same approach. So the way that I'm analyzing on the 15-minute chart is the way that I'm going to analyze on any other time frame. Okay, so whatever time frame you are comfortable with, that's what you need to do. Okay, but guys, you need to remember, right? When you're trading indicators, and it's raining right now outside, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but like when you're trading any system, okay, you also need to put in mind the trading session that you're in, right? Remember, different trading sessions have different currencies that are active during that time. Okay, so you need to have that in the back of your mind when you're actually trading, right? So right now, guys, we are in the New York session. Okay, at this moment when we are in our live stream, we are in the New York session. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and see what trades we're gonna get. So this is the 15-minute chart. We can see that I'm just gonna speak a little bit faster, guys, so that we can cover some things. Okay, so anyways, the first thing that we want to look at is the moving average. Okay, this moving average is speaking to us. Okay, it's really speaking to us. So if the price is underneath the moving average, like right now the price is underneath the moving average, that tells us that this is a bearish market. Okay, it's a market that's most likely to go down. You guys get that? Okay, so that's the purpose of this white line, right? And then the next thing we want to see is this volatility meter, right? As you guys, it's not focusing. Let me just zoom in. If it says 90, like if it's over 70%, then this is a bearish market that you want to trade. Okay, so that validates, it validates the sell signal. If you guys can see that, right? This is the GBP USD. Okay, so since now we've validated our sell signal, right? I want you guys to picture something in your heads, okay? Because when you're trading, remember that saying when they say the trend is your friend, okay? You want to trade in the direction of where the market is flowing to, okay? So if the market looks like it's in a downtrend and pushing down, the best thing that you want to do is you want to be opening up a sell trade, okay? You don't want to be buying against the trend because remember, we make money or we make profit when the market moves in our direction. The market has to move, okay? So it's always best to trade in the direction that the market is moving. That's why we're using the 100-period moving average, and we're using the volatility meter to validate the sell signal. Okay, so we don't just jump into the sell signal. we validate it, okay? We filter it. We make sure that this is a good signal to take, all right? Hope you guys are with me. So yeah, so that's what we look at initially, okay? And then once we've determined that this is a market that's going down, we then look at the trading signal. So what happened? Okay, so we got a sell entry, and then the market already hit TP1. Okay, remember we get three different take profit levels. Okay, so now the next take profit is TP2, and then the next one is TP3. Right? You guys see that? So since we've already hit TP1 right there, so the market moved from there to hit TP1, right? the the system then shifts the stop loss so that you can be able to continue trading, right? So now if you open up a trade here, you can put your stop loss there, and then you can use the different take profits. Okay, so usually what I like to do when I find a trade and I'm convinced about it, right, and I see that it's close to the next take profit, I'm just going to use the next one, because sometimes, like if you really time the market properly, especially let's say if there's like something that's going to happen into the market and there's going to be some heavy pushes in the market, I like to give myself some space. Okay, but you can open up two trades. You can open up the first trade, which will go to, let's just do that. Let me just show you guys F9. All right, so let's just use, I need to be able to see the the setups, I mean the numbers. Okay, just hold on. Okay, let me just first put the stop loss. The stop loss is right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So it's gonna be 1.25. And guys, I actually did look at the fundamentals, right? But I don't remember today what time. Oh, there's the FOMC today. If I remember correctly, there's the FOMC. Oh, that's a big, big news event. Okay, so there's actually money that we can make, right? Because of that, I should probably be trading on the higher time frame so that I can catch the big moves, right? So let's just maybe look at a few signals that we can take on the 15-minute chart, and then we'll go play with the big boys, right? So boom, I remember now. There's a big, big, big news event happening today. I think it's today. I don't remember. I think yesterday when I went on the live stream, I saw that the FOMC is gonna be live today, which is like some hectic stuff. And I think it was around half 7 to 8. So let's see. We might see something interesting today, right? But we need to be prepared, guys. I don't want to be caught with my pants down. Okay, 749. But was it yesterday or today? Let me just check quickly, guys. Hold on. Investing.com. 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 Hey guys, I'm just going on the internet real quick just to see what news events, high impact news is happening today, and then I'll just continue with the live stream. Just hold on, guys. Give me a second. Calendar. Something interesting happening today. Okay, so it was actually. Oh, it was yesterday. No wonder the market moved like crazy. I'll show you guys what happened on the US 30. Right. Okay, that was yesterday. Okay. So the news event happened about 2 hours ago. Okay, and then let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow at 3:30 around the New York Open, we should have an opportunity to trade. Okay, so that's pretty cool, guys. I just checked. So we're still in the green. We're still in the green. I remember now. Let me show you. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Just hold on. I want to show you the US 30. What happened? See how powerful news is. Uh, you'd be crazy to ignore it. So look at this. Okay, this is actually the H4 chart right now. Okay, so I got into this signal, I think it was on, and I'm still in the trade, right? But some of the trades went into TP, and then there was some that I didn't put the take profit level. But you see, this is the H4 chart. Okay, the signal was all the way up there. The market is underneath the 100 period moving average. My entry was here, and then I use TP1, and some of the trades are TP3. So the FOMC, right? So this is the advantage of trading the news, okay? And yeah, this is the advantage of trading the news alongside with this indicator, because now um, when things go in your favor, right, you're able to catch the big moves, right? Because you can see the way we analyze, we see where the market is most likely to go. So when the news hits, it pays us, right? You guys see that if you were on the stream yesterday, you would have seen, or the day before, I was actually on the stream since Monday, right? You would have seen that, okay, this market now, these are the levels that we can trade. Okay, so these are huge moves, guys. These are pips. Imagine on the US 30, this is like crazy markets right here. Okay, so this is what happens, guys. This is the power of the news events. Look at this. Look at this candle right here. That's an H4 candle, and there was very little drawdown, if you guys can see. A very little drawdown. Look at how much money we made right there. Okay, so that's basically what happened. Okay, so now let's get back to regular programming. All right. So which market was I looking at? Okay, I think the last one that I was looking at was the GBP USD. Okay, so the GBP USD right now, let me see, just hold on, guys. So I'm gonna see my, all right, let's go back. All right, okay. So we've got our signal on the GBP USD. We've got our TP2 and TP3 in, right? Let's look at the Euro GBP. You see that, guys? Look, very nice trades right now. Okay, so you're the Euro GBP, what's happening? Okay, what's happening, guys? And if you see what's happening, if you're following, just type in the comments so that you guys can, so I can see that you guys are hearing what I'm saying. Okay, but the first thing that you need to do before you touch anything, okay, you need to see where the price is in relation to this white line. You see, this white line is a very important indicator. Okay, it's a very, very important indicator. Let me just make it plain. We'll come back to this one. Okay, let me just explain this first, and then I'll go deeper on the moving average, right? So as you guys can see, okay, as you guys can see, the price is above this white line, which is a 100-period moving average. You guys see that, which indicates to us that this is a market that's likely to go up. Guys, these steps are very easy, okay? And then the next thing you look at is this volatility meter. It's over 70%. And then right now it's telling us that this is a very strong push to the upside. You guys see that, okay? Now, those two things that we just checked, they validate the signal to buy, okay? So it means that we can actually take this trade, all right? And then as you guys can see, the market moved from the buy to TP1. You see TP1 has hit and the stop loss is starting to shift already, okay? So what we can do if we want to enter into this trade, if you guys can see that, if we want to enter into this trade, we can actually buy and use TP2 and TP3. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Now let me just say F9, right? So you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let's start with the stop loss. Very easy. There's a lot of traders out there who are really, really struggling with this stuff, but it's quite easy. Okay, wait, I almost put the wrong stop loss. It's 82575. I have one of your previous. Hey, what's up, my man? How you doing? Jason, what's good, my man? You must text me, man. You must send me a DM, bro. This is the new one that we have right now. Okay. So, anyways, just to catch you up to speed, I opened up a sell on the GBP USD on the 15-minute chart, and then now I'm opening up a buy on the Euro GBP. This is the Euro GBP that we're looking at right now. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use TP2 0. What's TP231? It's 0.833196. Okay, that's TP2. So I'm just doing this, guys, just to illustrate to you, how it works, like practically. Okay, practically. Okay, guys, this is a new PC. It shouldn't be lagging. You know, it shouldn't be lagging, guys. Like for real, for real. Okay, then stop loss is 8255. 575. When I'm feeling frisky, guys, like I don't really put a take profit. I mean, let's take profit in the stop loss. I just spam the trades. Boom! Just like that. You see? So I'll buy entries there. I'll sell entries there. Um, TP2, TP3. That's what we're using. We already hit TP1. Okay? Very, very easy, right? All right, so let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. So we've got a trade on the. So we're strictly on the stream right now, guys. We're strictly on the 15-minute chart, okay? Because there was someone on my YouTube who said that, nah, dude, you need to use the 15-minute chart. I was like, all right, now for sure, money. But there's less money. The reason why I hardly ever trade the 15-minute chart, okay, is because there's more money on the higher time frames. Like that move that I showed you on gold. I mean, not on US 30. Like it's a big move. Imagine if I only used the levels on the 15-minute chart. I wouldn't have made as much as I'm supposed to, right? Here's another trade, USD CHF. It's lining up, but let's just move on. We might see better trades. You know, you don't have to accept every single trade that comes, right? There might be something better that you can, spam. The objective, guys, isn't to try and trade every single thing that's out there. The objective is to find the best trades that can give us the most money. Okay, we don't have to trade 10 different currencies. We can just trade one currency and basically spam that thing. That thing can pay you for the whole of December. Okay, so here's a good trade right here, guys. Right? Okay, what's the minimum amount you ever traded indices with this indicator? Minimum amount, I think it was 500 Rand, but then it was a standard account and the leverage was 1 is to 200. Yeah, so you need to use that. Okay, so anyways, let's just move on, right? So as you guys can see right now, the price is under the 100, which tells you what? This is a bearish market, okay? And then you look at your volatility meter, it is above like 70%, which means that this is a market that's actively going down, okay? So now this is the GBP CHF, guys. You see the CHF pairs, sometimes they have huge spread. Okay, so you just need to be mindful of that because on different brokers, the spread, the cost of the trade is high. Okay, so some of these Forex currencies have a high spread. Okay, it's expensive to trade them. So it's better to stick to things like your Forex majors, USD CAD, GBP USD, those ones if you're trading Forex currencies. Okay. But yeah, anyways, so we validated that this is a bearish market. I'm just gonna move quickly now, guys. I'm opening up a sell. TP is down there. TP2, you guys can see that. And then stop loss is right there. The system put it for us. Boom! Move just like that. Okay. So let's go Euro. This is Euro CAD. Sell signal as well. Oh, this one looks nice. GBP CAD, guys. GBP CAD. You guys can see under the 100 period moving average, right? Indicating that this is a bearish market. You guys can see that, right? You guys see that? And then, the volatility meter is above 100%. I mean, 70%. You guys see that? So that validates this signal right here. Okay, so if we want to trade this, we can trade it to TP2 and TP3. Remember, if we get like profit levels, okay, I mean, if we get signals, the software gives us three different levels, take profit levels, okay? And then the stop loss is dynamic. It shifts as the market progresses. So if it hits TP2, it's going to shift the stop loss so you can trade for TP3. This is why this one is so smart, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But I'm feeling good about myself right now. I'm just going to spam these trades. I put in like a few. Let's go. That's a very good trade that we just found right now. Okay, and then this trade right here, this is the CHF JPY. You guys can see we've got our buy entry above the 100 period moving average. TP1, TP2, TP3 is done. So this trade is already done. I'm moving past this one. Let's see. I'm also looking at the volatility meter, guys. Okay. So this is GBP AUD, a trade that I already explained earlier, so I'm not gonna get into that one. Like AUD JPY, let's go. Moving forward, guys. Moving forward. AUD CAD. I'm just trying to move as quickly as I can, because the market is moving, guys. We need to be opening up trades on other things. We need to be finding opportunities for money, right? Okay, for those of you who trade AUD, NZD, right, guys can see right now the market is above the 100 period moving average, which indicates that this is a bullish market, right? And then you guys can see the volatility meter is above 70%, which means this is a viable trade. We can actually get into this trade, buy, put the stop loss, TP1, TP2. So I'm just going to do that. One, two, three. Three trades open. Let's go, baby. And sometimes people, when I used to do these live streams a lot, you know, there's some people who would just come and join the live stream, right, just for the signals, right, just to follow the trades that I'm doing. Okay, here's another one. You guys can see over 70% volatility meter sell trade. That's a GBP NZD. But I'm not going to trade every single thing that's out there, guys. I'm just going to be 100 with you, right? I don't need to do that. It's uh, you're finishing your margin if you do that. Okay. Okay, let's quickly go to the indices. Okay, no trade there. Um, no G30, no trade there. Okay, no trade there. NAS 100, no trade there. US 30, US 30 was crazy. So you see, guys, if you follow like the trading rules, okay? Oh shit, I almost opened a trade at the wrong thing. If you follow the trading rules, you'll avoid opening up trades when you're not supposed to. Okay, you don't have to trade every single thing that's out there, right? And not every signal is a good signal. So you use this. Okay, guys, I'm getting a call. Okay, so I need to disconnect from the live stream. But first, let me just quickly look at one more thing. GBP JPY. Okay, so I don't see a trade right there. But anyways, guys, I'm disconnecting right now. If you want to know more about this trading indicator, just send me a DM here on on Instagram or WhatsApp or Telegram, or send me an email on fxmabs@gmail.com, and then we'll be able to hook you up. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll holler at you guys on the next one. Take care.